Hello boys and girls, Mr. Giomini. Wanted to come to you with a quick video. We did talk about this in class today, but I just wanted, if you kind of forget things because you got a lot going on today, it's Friday, you have a long weekend, so you're excited. I don't blame you. But I did want to create a little video for you to help you out with the box and whisker plot activity you had to do for weekend practice. If you recall, you go to today's class topics, you will see right here under weekend practice, periods 1, 3, and 4, you have the con skill box and whisker plot. You would click right here. Now I already have it open. This is what it would look like. Again, they will give you a set of data. First thing you do, it helps, you may drag the numbers to put them in a different order. The order isn't checked with your answer, so you don't have to do this, but it really helps you get a visual. So I'm going to take these and put them in order from least to greatest. Again, you can just kind of manipulate them by pulling a number, put them in order from least to greatest. Okay, so 2, 5, 6, 6, 7, 9, 10, 10, 11. Now, you will then eventually have to take this, and you'll see how it changes color when you hover over it. So you kind of pull this however you want to make it. And again, it's based on this data. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Active Studio to kind of show you what I would do on paper and pencil, because this is difficult for me to kind of do just looking at it. So I have a picture of this. Now obviously I can't move these numbers because it's just a photo. But what I did do is I wrote the numbers down. So I believe, oh no, I did not. Let's go back here. Let's see, the numbers were 2, 5, 6, 6, 7, 9, 2, 5, 6, 6, 7, 9. I'm going to put this down here because I'm running out of space. Let me go back. 2, 5, 6, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. I should have been over that. 10, 11, and 12. Now I should have, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I always like to identify the lower extreme and upper extreme. In this case, they're not outliers, but the lower extreme is the smallest number in the data set, and that is 2. The upper extreme is the 12. Now I call this the median. Sometimes they'll call it the second quartile. So I'm really just finding the median of all the data. So looking at this data, I have, what, 9 again? 9 numbers. So if I cross out 4 here, and then I'll cross out 4 at the top end, and my median will be 7. Now what I'm going to need to do is find the median of the first quartile, or this set of data here. And when I find the median, that'll be the first quartile median. And when I find the median of this, what we call the third quartile, that'll help me identify the third quartile. So if I take a look, I have 2, 5, 6, 6. Well, I'm looking for in between here. In between 5 and 6 is 5.5. And if I look here, 9, 10, 11, 12, in between here, that's where my median is going to be located. It's 10.5. So my first quartile median, or the first quartile number, is 5.5. The third quartile, or that median for this kind of third chunk, if you want to look at these as 3 chunks, one chunk, the median is the second chunk, or the second quartile, and this final chunk here, we call it the third quartile, number would be 10.5. Now what I need to do is I need to go back and manipulate this. So I believe the lower extreme we said was 2, so that's fine. The upper extreme I think was 12, so that's good. Now, my first quartile, the median for that was 5.5. So I have to come down here, 7, 6.5, 6, 5.5. And then the median for the overall set of data, let's see if I remember that was, I want to say it's 7, but I think I'm off. Yes, it is 7. So I'm going to pull that second quartile, the median. That's the line kind of that's in the middle of the box if you want to think about it, but it's not always going to be necessarily in the middle, but it's inside the box. And the third quartile was, let me go back here, I think was 10.5. So actually I'm perfect. So there is how I create the box and whisker plot from this set of data. Hit check answer, and I have it correct. Now you will notice here it says get 3 correct in a row. So if I were to do 2 more and I have them correct, that'd be good. I want you to do this skill 9 times. Okay, so once you get these 2 and you hit submit, there will be a box up here that shows something like practice again. Click practice again. So you should cycle that, you hit that practice again twice. So you should do this skill 9 times. I will be able to see how many times you do it when I go on to Con this weekend and to check your progress. All right, hope this helps you out with your weekend practice. Have a great weekend. Enjoy your day off on Monday. Bye.